Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. It's Jeffrey Post number 31. Works smooth. There's your bidding. And we're going to use bottom of the keyway on this because this top is just way open there. And I'm going to be kind of picking this in a funky position, so here we go. Get in there behind that tension wrench. 4, 3, 2, okay. Getting some crunchiness. Just work from back to the front like always. See what I can feel. Well, oh, I think it's something just dropped. Might have had something overset. Oh yeah, I got some movement there. Let's see. I'm gonna try to rearrange my hand here. It's kind of tough when you're not picking it the way you normally pick. Some crunchiness. Wow. I get nothing now, it's all solid. Maybe I'm not getting up front far enough. There it is. Yeah. Yeah, we got it. Yeah, so yeah. Penetrate out. Where are you? Right over here. It's a pusher. Can't do that. There it went. Okay, and we are open that away. Oops. I gotta get. Ooh. There we go. We just basically need over that tail piece. Ooh. Whoa, that's tight. Wow. Here we come. There it goes. All right. It took a little bit, but wow. Yeah. Them back ones are up there quite a ways. One. Two. Oops. What the heck? Let me, wow, this is going to take a while now. There it comes. Oh. Come on up out of there. 3. Okay, I'm not going to play with you guys like that. Okay. Overset traps. Yep. Big overset traps. And threading in 2, 3, and 5. And let's go up top. Torrizos. Sorry. Sorry, this isn't coming out real clean, guys. Oh, I gotta get the little booger out of there. Oh man. See if we can kind of turn it out of the way so we can get a hold of it. Wow. There we go. We got her out that time. Whew. Okay. Yeah, it's getting long because of this. Taking the whole day to do. Okay, we're coming out. And that's number 1. Just like that. I don't know about the spring on that one. Number 2, if you can see it. How it's coming out of there. Ooh. Man. Caught it. Wow. Holy cow. Let's go in the back. These are just powing out. I mean shooting out. Okay. Alright. Even. Okay. And just like that. Now let's see if we can get some springs out here. Hold still, you little booger. Yes. Hold still. I'll get you out. Little stinker. Jeez. Okay. Oh, come back here, little runaway. And there we go. Okay, let's see what's in the top. Ooh, we got threading in 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 are threaded in the top. All right, and this is Jeffrey Post's number 31. And here's your pins. Got a standard with lots of little serrations in the top. Serrated kind of spool type, and then a big spool with different levels of difference. Looks like a little bit of serration on this bottom one, and a kind of a spool serration. There's a couple of double spools or double serrations and triple serrations at top, and a little spool type in the bottom and a standard on top, and you have different springs. Okay, well that's it for that one, guys. So Jeffrey Post number 31. Thank you for watching, and stay legal and have fun.